how to remove a turn single windshield wiper knob, lever, whatever you want to call it. This is what we're going to change. How long is it going to take? How hard is it going to be? Well, that's what I'm going to tell you right now. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off this screw, which is a T20 hex. That's a regular Phillip, and one more T20 right there. All right. After you remove the screws, it has two clips, one over here on the side and the back, and one on the other side. These are the type of clips I'm talking about. Just the two on either side. Just pull down a little bit on it, on that side, and it'll come out. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to have to counterclockwise this knob that does the tilt steering wheel. Once you remove that, your top should just come right off like this. And now we have access to your turn signal switch and your windshield wiper. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take off this screw here, this one, and this one here. That's all there is to it, brother. And just, we're going to disconnect this, okay? Now, just so you know, that is a security screw. It's a security hex, and it requires a T15. It's a T15, and this one has the hole inside it. Okay, so there you have it. Once you unscrew those two bolts, you're going to unplug the big plug here. So you grab your T20 again, your regular hex, right? Your regular hex, and go behind this bolt where it has the head to it, and take that off. After you take the bolt off, just pull on the sides. There's no real clip, and just clip in the other one. Then we're going to be putting it right back together. Okay, so I just put the two screws on. I put the clip back on, and I put the two screws back on. Now I'm going to put the casing back on. After I put the casing back on, I put back the tilt steering wheel lever. Make sure she's snug and tight. And that's it, brothers. Let the fat lady sing. Amen.